Just hasty down, Kabbalah. Push. Wanna my.
It's your girl Divany. It's your girl Johnny K Divany here. You know Diva is going in front. So if you want to know how I do my jungle brides, disaster bride, I will leave the link down below. I'm going to send one picture here so you can see what we did before. So this is a 22. I have like 22 single brides here. I'm going to put 11 in one side and 11 in another side. I'm going to use the hot glue gun because it's more easy and fast. Okay, because why I need to hold needle and thread if I am going to cover it, and it's for me, it's for nobody. If you're going to do it for somebody, use needle and thread. It's my advice. Okay, it's my advice. Use needle and thread. But that is for me. I using my from Leroy Merlin here in Spain hot glue gun. okay, it's very easy. So here, as you can see, I was putting the hair one by one. As I told before, I put 11 in one side and 11 in another side, so they're going to be like equal, you understand? And yeah, so why I'm going to use needle and thread if I can use my hot glue gun, as I said before, like so easy, the faster hairstyle ever. I think because you will see the install. You will see the install because it's so cute and super. So let me tell you. So I was trying to put like small glue in each side, so it's not going to be too much white-ish going on. But no, at the end I don't have that too much white glue in the hair because I remove it. It's very easy to remove. When the glue is dry, it's very easy to remove. And here is it. Oh my god, I was impressed when I finished doing it because it was very fast, like so fast, so fast to do it. I say fast before. Okay, let me count it. How much time I say fast in this audio? Like okay, so yeah, I hope you all subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more videos, because you can use jungle brides, normal brides, twists, locks for do this, like and more. Yes, and more. The devil have ears. Okay, so hey, this is me. I look like Fatty Bum Bum. Like, okay, you see my face like chubby. You know. Yeah. I chubby. Well, we are working for the summer body. Period. As you can see, I have my red wine here that I dyed. I have the link too. I will leave the link down below, and I will leave the link how I do my jungle brides down below too. So yeah, let me leave you with this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, so you're going to be the first one to see more videos. Okay, subscribe. Peace out. I know I can do it better, but I am in a rush. I am in a rush. Period. 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 Straight.